Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges, and we get a lot of questions about what comes included when you purchase one of our gauge packages. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in our 7-color series gauge package for the 2008 to 2014 Subaru Impreza WRX and STI. In this particular package, you're going to get a 30 PSI Boost vacuum gauge, a wideband air-fuel ratio gauge, and a 100 PSI fuel pressure gauge, all featuring a black face with a tinted lens. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm analog 30 PSI Boost vacuum gauge with a color change button on the front, 2-footed power wire on the back, and a 1/8 slip-on pressure fitting. A 52mm digital wideband air-fuel ratio gauge, and a 52mm analog 100 PSI fuel pressure gauge with a color change button on the front. Also included in the package, full color installation instructions, a 6-foot silicone boost hose, a 1/8 barbed T-fitting with hose clamps, a welded-in bung for your wideband sensor, a bung plug, a wideband controller, a 7-foot gauge harness for your wideband gauge, a 5-foot power harness for your wideband controller, a 10-foot sensor harness for your wideband sensor, a wideband oxygen sensor, a 3-foot data logging output wire, a 9-foot pressure sensor harness, a 2-foot power harness for your fuel pressure gauge, a fuel pressure sensor, a fuel pressure T-fitting with hose clamps, mounting brackets and hardware, a pillar mounting bolt, a triple pillar gauge pod, a 3-gauge wiring kit with sensor and power wires, and gauge visors for sun glare. All of our products come with lifetime technical support, so if you have any questions, feel free to visit our website or message us on any of our social media channels.